In this video, I want to talk to you about how to add products to your online store. Over here on the left, we have the store management menu. And if we hover over catalog and click on products, you're going to see all of the sample products that were added when your store was created. Disabling these is really simple, and I'm going to recommend at this point that you don't delete them because these products can be helpful in getting you started. Well, let's click Add New Product. And across the top, you'll see tabs for additional details about your products. Today, I just want to add a couple of products to get you started. All right, let's give this a title. Casual Men's Shirt. If you track your products with a scannable barcode, then you'll need to enter a SKU in here. Even if you don't use SKUs, the system will assign one for each product. Weight is required to properly calculate your automated shipping. So you'll need to know exactly how much your shirt weighs. We'll put in half a pound here. Now, of course, you'll need a great description, and I can't emphasize enough, make sure you take the time to have a great description for your product. You'll note here in the description field, you also have a WYSIWYG editor, so it doesn't have to be just plain text. All right, one thing that's really important is great product images. You can click and drag and drop right onto the screen, and the image will upload. You can also click the plus symbol here to select an image that's on your hard drive. And you can also drag and drop multiple images at a time. Once your images have uploaded, you can drag and drop the images to put them in the right order that you want to see them. And of course, the main image is the one that will show up in your store. All right, we've got images, we've got a name, we've got a weight, and we've got a description. Moving over, I'm going to need a price. I'm going to set this at $34. And if I click on the down triangle, you'll note there's a compare to price and a bulk discount pricing section. This is a paid feature, and you may need to upgrade your plan to access it. If you have this feature, well, by putting a compared to price in here, it is essentially saying this is the regular price of $45, but right now it's on sale for $34. There's also bulk discount pricing. So if I purchase 5 or more, then I can get a $4 discount. However, if I purchase 10 or more, there might be an extra discount, let's say a discount of $9. And you'll notice as soon as I put 10 in there, the number 9 was filled in for me. So this is really cool. If I click Save and quickly preview my product, you'll note that the sale price is $34, saving 24%, and bulk pricing is available for quantities of 5 units or more. That is so helpful. While you're working on your product, it's important to note that the first time you click Save, your product will be on your store, whether it's ready or not. It's always a good idea to disable a product while you're working on it, so that as you're adding your product, you can save it as often as you need without it being displayed on your storefront. When your product is ready, simply click Enable and Save, and your product will be available on your store. Now down here on the right as well, I also have stock management. This is a paid feature, and you may need to upgrade your plan to access it. If you have the paid version, you can add how many items you have in stock or leave it as unlimited. And I can send myself a note when quantity reaches a particular level, let's say 3. It's at this point I can preview the product. That just looks terrific. Here's my product details, my stock numbers, and the add to bag. Once I've saved the product once, the Open in Storefront link appears, and I can check out what it actually looks like in my store. Heading up to the top tabs, you'll see next to General, I have Attributes. Attributes are anything you want to display on your store, such as UPC, brand. You can also click on Manage Attributes to add even more values here. the Option tab is incredibly helpful. You're able to add options and variations to each individual product. For instance, here in my casual men's shirt, I can offer different sizes. And with these different sizes, I can even add and subtract dollar amounts or percentages if I want to give my customers some flexibility in pricing. So an extra large shirt might be $3 more, and an extra small shirt might be $2 less. I can have multiple options. If I wanted to offer gift wrapping for this particular product, of course, I can do that. I can add a yes and charge $10, or a no and not affect the price at all. If I want to choose a default value, well, I just select the radio button for the default value, and I can even rearrange and sort these. So adding options to your products gives your customers even more flexibility in their shopping experience. Product variations allow you to add stock control, different images, SKUs, and prices to product options. So let's say I had 15 extra small shirts, but only 3 large shirts in stock. By adding variations to the different options in my products, I can control pricing and stock quantities and even images for each individual option for a product. For demonstration purposes, I've added 3 variations. Let's take a look and see what that did. So when I click in extra small, you'll note the shirt is $32. That's in my options section. I can add gift wrapping for $10, and I have 4 in stock that was set up in my product variation. If I choose small, the price stays the same, and I have 15 in stock. If I click on medium, you'll notice I have 17 in stock, and the price was bumped to $35. So product options and variations are a powerful tool to give your customers the flexibility to shop just the way they want. Once I have some products in my store, there's a lot I can do here on the catalog page. I can edit my options, edit attributes, add images, upload files, taxes and shipping, or even duplicate a product. The duplicate product link was also here, so I don't even have to go back out in order to do that. If I duplicate a product, I'm now working on that new product, and I can quickly delete the images, upload new images, update my description, my SKU, and the name. It just saves me some time if I'm creating products that are really similar. That's all it takes to add product to your store.